In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to your Wix website. Adding a favicon can really help personalize your site and make it stand out in your visitors tab bar, so it's worth investing a little time to get this set up. Let's walk through the process together to ensure your website has that extra touch of professionalism. To begin, you'll need to ensure you're logged into your Wix account. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to your dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your site, so just click on Home to get started. This will bring you to the main dashboard where all the magic happens. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Settings. This step will direct you to various options where you can manage different features of your website. You'll essentially have access to all the back-end settings of your site from here. From the Settings menu, you need to look for Website Settings. Click on it, and you'll be taken to yet another page. This is where you can adjust preferences and settings specific to your website. Think of it as the control panel for tweaking your site to perfection. Now you should be on the page where you can see the favicon option. If you already have a Wix premium plan, you'll be able to change your favicon here. Unfortunately, if you're on a free plan like I am while showing this demo, you might notice that the option to change your favicon is grayed out or has a notification indicating you can't edit this feature. This is because the ability to customize your favicon is a premium feature on Wix. So if this is crucial for your branding, consider upgrading your plan. For premium users, the process from here is simple and intuitive. You'll be able to upload an image that you'd like to use as your favicon. Just ensure the image is clear and easy to recognize, since favicons are quite small and simple designs tend to work best. Once your image is uploaded, make sure to save all the changes you've made. This ensures your new favicon is properly updated and visible to everyone who visits your website. And that's it. You've successfully added a favicon to your Wix website, or at least learned how to if you haven't upgraded your plan yet. By following these steps, you'll add a small but mighty touch that can enhance your site's appeal and memorability. If you need more tutorials or assistance, don't hesitate to explore Wix's help resources or reach out to their support team. Keep experimenting with ways to make your website truly your own. Thanks for watching, and happy building.